Hi, I'm Eve and welcome back to my math club. Today we're going to continue with our IGCSE Year 10 syllabus, which is on Unit 1.2 multiples and factors. So we're just going to start off with defining some of these terms. Multiples are outcomes of a number multiplied by an integer. So for example, if we want to find the multiples of 3, we would take 3 multiplied by 1, we get 3. 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6. 3 multiplied by 12, we get 36. 3 multiplied by 439, we get 1,317. Okay, so on top of multiples, what you would most commonly hear is the next term is lowest common multiple, which is your LCM. And LCM is just the smallest possible number that is a multiple of all two or more given numbers. So let's just say you must be given at least two numbers, and let's say it's 2 and 5, and the LCM for 2 and 5, it would be 10. So we're just going to look at a few more exercises to really solidify your understanding on this. Question 1, I want you to list down 5 multiples of A, 9. You can pause the video to attempt the question first, and I'm just going to give you the answer now. The first 5 multiples for 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. So all of this is just multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You would try to do the same thing for the next 2 questions, right? So for question B, you want to list down the first 5 multiples for 29. So you pause the video if you will need more time. The answer is 29, 58, 87, 116, and 145. Next question, question C, list down the first 5 multiples of 75. Right, the answers are 75, 150, 225, 300, and 375. Okay, next question is, which of the following numbers are multiples of 12? Right, we have 576, 396, 354, 792, and 1164. Okay, we have 4 correct options here. One of the correct answers is 576, 396, 792, 1164. So these 4 are the correct answers. The way you want to verify is that you try to use the numbers and you divide it by 12. If it's divisible by 12, if it's completely divisible by 12, then it is a multiple of 12, right? Meaning to say 576 divided by 12 equals to 48. If we were to think of it as a multiple, meaning to say 12 times 48 has given you 576. Okay, so if we take the example that isn't the answer, let's say 354, if divided by 12, you get 25 with a remainder of 6. So it's not completely divisible by 12. So meaning to say when you get a remainder, that is like your best signal that it is not the correct answer. Okay, question 3. Question 3, I want you to find the LCM of 6 and 4. The LCM for 6 and 4 is 12, and you can find that by proving that 6 times 2 is equals to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 6. And 4 times 3 is also equals to 12, so meaning to say 12 is also a multiple of 4. So here, the 12 is common, right? The 12 is the common multiple, and it is also the lowest in this case. Okay, try the next question. The next question, you want to find the LCM of 4, 5, and 6. The answer here is 60, right? We can prove that by showing 4 times 15 is 60, 5 times 12 is 60, 6 times 10 is 60. So 60 is the common multiple here, right? Between 4, 5, and then 6. There is a much more technical and a much more straightforward way to find these LCM values, and you want to check the next video on prime numbers to find out how it is done, right? For this chapter, we're just gonna look at what are the definitions and get your fundamentals right. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for this video. I hope to see you in the next video, and for any further inquiries, you can check the description or comment in the comment section down below.